Good morning, everybody out in YouTube land. How'd you like that sunrise? Wow, can't believe I caught such a good picture. Sometimes the colors don't come out, but wow, it sure came out nice this morning. I'm looking in my compost bin, and I have some dried leaves in here I found around the neighborhood. See, this one here is already starting to decompose. I think they come off of one of the palm trees, but I think they make a nice addition to my compost bin. There's the beautiful lake near Rancho Cielo. And I especially wanted to show you, look what's on that dock. Isn't that adorable? It's a whole bunch of cormorants all lined up, all facing the sun. If I get any closer though, they'll probably try to take off. Let's see how close I can get before they get nervous. Isn't that wonderful? So many all lined up. One of my pea plants wasn't looking very good this morning, so I pulled it out. I'll show you, but it had this profuse amount of roots. Look at this. So I looked it up, and there's something called pea wilt, some bacterial thing on peas, but it says that the root system won't be very, very strong. But look at this. This one has a huge root system, so something else must have happened to this little pea. I'm going to plant some more. So here we go. I've got some stakes that I put on the corners here to keep the bird netting up above. And look at these peas, they're doing really well. What are you doing? Okay, so anyway, back to gardening. I got this soil moisture testing meter. Zenport is the brand. Here it is. And this I got from Home Depot for, less than $20. So here's what this does. I'll show you. Plug this end into the soil, and it tells you either, so I can get a good picture of it here. Yeah, there we go. Wet or dry, 1, 2, 3, 4. So let's go try it. You want to try it, buddy? You want to see? You want to see how wet the plant soil is? So, box with the flowers. Let's see how this reads. That reads 4, huh? So I just watered everything yesterday really well. Then I wiped the end of this off with a cloth. The box that has the big peas growing in it is measuring 4 wet. This is the first box I planted. This is so neat. I don't have to wonder if I'm watering them the right amount anymore. So this box, yeah, this is the one that dries out the fastest. And it's at 2. But another place in the same box, it's reading 3. There's a small bee walking around in here. So I want to open up the bird netting and let the bee get out. Can you hear all those beautiful birds? I've been identifying them this morning, and some of them are cedar waxwings. Those are the ones, they're kind of grayish green, and they have a little peak on their head. Also, a lot of them are the lesser goldfinch. Such nice songs, huh? Now this bin is going to be fun to monitor because I put a little bit of really fine wood chips on the top here. So I want to see if that makes any difference in the way it holds the moisture. Right now, the part under the wood chips is a high 3. The part where there are no wood chips is a 4. I think the moisture meter is also going to aerate the soil a little bit as I poke around in the bins. So my gut level feeling about this bin yesterday was correct because, see how wet it is? I don't know if you can see it yet. Let me get the shade. Here we go. Okay. See how wet it is? So I did not water this bin yesterday. So it's been 2 weeks since I had to water this bin. It just holds the moisture really well. So it's really neat if I can test the top of the soil, just the very top of it, in different spots. I can get a good feel for different areas of the bin. Oops. See, like there, the top inch. In some spots it's dry. In some spots it's wet. Very good. Okay. So that is the moisture meter from Home Depot. Thank you for tuning in. I will see you again next time. Adios. Mwah. The scripture for this month is, God girds us with strength and makes our way perfect. So I'll see you again. Be sure and like, subscribe, leave a comment, ring the bell. Adios.